I'm Dr. Fabien Bitan. I'm a spine surgeon and I work at the Atlantic Spine Center in New Jersey. My training is a little complex. I was trained in France, in Europe, and then I practiced there, I became professor over there, and then I decided to move to this country, and I went through several years of hard time because, as everybody knows, you cannot just transfer your diplomas, you have to just retake everything. And then I worked for many years at Bitan Medical Center in Manhattan, and then I was named Chief of Spine Surgery at Lenox Hill Hospital in New York, and where I still am. I run the department there, and I had a chance to meet with Dr. Liu, who is the chief of this group here, and with his incredible skills in endoscopic surgery, which is very unusual, I decided to join the group and try to see another way of treating patients more minimally invasively. What I enjoy the most about my job is the capacity of helping people with serious spine problem, sometimes in few hours, and selected patient you can help a lifetime problem. The first thing to do when you're in a situation where you've been disabled for several years because of a spine problem is to have a thorough evaluation and see what's going on, what's wrong. Unfortunately, in some cases, there's no surgical option, and the patient, unfortunately, has to cope with his condition or her condition with some symptomatic treatment. But in many cases, we can help. And it is true that spine surgery could be frightening sometimes, but now the treatments are very well codified and there are risk of complication. But the risk of serious complication is probably not worse than flying in an airplane or taking a taxi cab. So you have to put this in perspective, and nothing is risk-free, but when you have something that really has been jeopardizing your life every single day, the risk is sometimes worth it. When one of my patients comes back and tells me that he feels that I saved his or her life, and which happen quite often, believe it or not, and it's a great satisfaction because, as you know, to get to that level we had to study and train for 10 to 15 years, and all of a sudden somebody is in front of you, you change his life or life, and you feel, well, that was worth it.